Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. And till now, like whatever the terminologies we have finished, you're thorough with that. So, our subject is psychiatry nursing, our concept is terminologies, and today our letter is L. So, L for love. Yes, love towards your psychiatric nursing. So, today we are going to learn all the terminologies which starts with L. First, labile indifference. Now, this is a symptom of conversion disorder where now patient is having lack of concern towards their physical symptom what they are experiencing. This condition is called as labile indifference. Next, libido. Now, libido is a term which is used by Sigmund Freud in his psychoanalytical theory. Now, this libido is referred to a sexual drive. This is what differ in to explain like how the sexual drives will be there. Like he has given also in his structure of personality developmental id, ego, and superego where and how this libido has placed. So this is what you mean by libido. Next, labile effect. Here, a rapidly shifting of emotions. Now we can see in patient, they keep on changing, they are rapidly shifting their emotions, which is unrelated to the situations or unrelated to the environment. That's what called labile effect. Next, limbic system. Now, limbic system is a part of brain which sometimes called as emotional brain. Now, this emotional brain is associated with lot of emotions like fear, anxiety, stress, love, affection, pleasure, sadness, all these things. So, this is what called limbic system. Next, loosening association. It is a kind of speech disorder where a content has spoke in her patient's language and there is no association between the ideas what they are presented. Patient, for example, now patient may give so many like ideas in their speech, but when you see there is no relation between the talk, yeah, content of their speech. This is known as loosening association. Next, lithium. Now, a lithium is a main drug, yeah, drug of first line treatment which used to treat the condition called mania. Now, lithium is discovered by F. J. Cad in 1949. So, lithium is an element which atomic number of 3 with the atomic weight 7. So, lithium is the important drug which we can use, a mood stabilizer drug which used to treat the condition of mania. So, this is about lithium. Next, light therapy. Now, this light therapy is a kind of somatic therapy which is used to treat the patient with different kind of psychiatric illness. Now, light therapy is also sometimes called as phototherapy. Here, exposing a patient to the bright artificial light. Now, the light should be very bright and it should be a full spectrum light. Now, when the patient are suffering with kind of seasonal depression, insomnia, eating disorder, we can use this light therapy. Next, LSD. Now, LSD is a substance which is used commonly by the youngsters and they get addicted. Now, LSD means lysergic acid diethylamide. Now, this is invented, synthesized in 1938 and it is a kind of powerful hallucinogens which may create hallucination in a patient. So, this is what called LSD. Now, learning disorder. This is what we can see in the children. They are finding a difficulty to develop some scholastic skills. Like they may find difficulty with the reading, dyslexia. They are finding difficulty with the arithmetic maths. They are finding difficulty with the spellings. These disorders are called like when the child is suffering with any kind of school skill performance. They fail to do that. Then that is called learning disorder. So, till now we discussed about the terminologies which starts with L. I hope you understood. Please keep studying. Also, I request you keep watching so that we can learn little more from psychiatric nursing. Now, the time to say bye bye to you all, and thanks for watching. Thank you all. See you in next class.